Hello children, our objective for today is to describe the properties of 2D shapes. Now which among these are parallel lines and which are perpendicular lines? Let's take one at a time. This one, is it perpendicular or parallel? They are parallel lines because they are always the same distance apart. So even if I extend them, they are not going to meet at any point. What about these two lines, this line and this line? They are meeting at one point. So are they perpendicular or parallel lines? They are perpendicular lines because if you see over here, they are making a right angle. What about these? This line and this line. These are perpendicular lines again because they are making a right angle over here where they meet. What about these two lines? These two lines are parallel lines because they are same distance apart even though they are not kept placed together. Okay, one is ahead and one is behind. If you extend these from either sides, they are not going to meet. Okay, let's move ahead. Now look at this shape. How many pairs of parallel lines can you see in this shape? Okay, so line AB is parallel to line DC. Line AD is parallel to BC. So how many pairs are there? Remember, when we say pairs, it means there are two lines. So this line and this line is one pair of parallel lines. This line and this line is another pair of parallel lines. So we have two pairs of parallel lines. One pair and second pair. Okay. Now, which among these has three pairs of parallel lines? Now look carefully. Let's take one shape at a time. Now how many pairs are there in this shape? One pair, another pair. So how many did we get? We got two pairs, but we want three pairs. Okay. What about this? Does this have parallel lines? No. What about this shape? Let's check. One and another one. These two lines are parallel lines. This line and this line are parallel. This line and this line are parallel. All right. So how many pairs of parallel line this one has? One, two, three. So three pairs of parallel lines are there in this shape. What about this shape? Does this have any parallel lines? No. So which is the shape which has three pairs of parallel lines? This one. It is a hexagon. All right, let's go ahead now. Now here we have a square. How many pairs of perpendicular lines can you see in this shape? Can you point it out? Okay. Line AB is perpendicular to line BC. Why? Because they meet at a right angle. Line BC is perpendicular to line DC. So this is the second pair. Line DC is perpendicular to line AD. This is the third pair. Line AD is perpendicular to line AB. Now you must be wondering, we have already spoken about this line and this line as one pair, but this line is also there in the other pair of perpendicular lines. The trick is to see how many right angles are there inside the shape. How many are there? One right angle, two, three, and four right angles. We know that perpendicular lines make right angles. So since there are four right angles, how many pairs of perpendicular lines would be there? Four pairs, because each pair of line is making one right angle. All right, let's go ahead. Which shape has one pair of perpendicular lines? Now remember, perpendicular lines means they meet at right angles. So let's find out. Okay, now this shape, let's count the number of perpendicular lines. What was the trick? We can just count the number of right angles that are there in this shape. So let's count. We have one right angle, two, three, four. But they have asked me only one pair of perpendicular lines. Since I have four right angles means how many pairs do I have? I have four pairs of perpendicular lines. So would this be my answer? Nope, because I'm looking for the one which has only one pair. Okay, so make sure you read any question carefully before answering it. Okay, let's take this shape. Now, does this have any perpendicular lines? No, this does not have any perpendicular line. Okay, because none of these lines are making right angles. They are only making acute angles. They are not making right angles. Okay, let's go to this shape. Now, are these lines making right angle? Or if I select these two lines, are they making right angles? No. So none of these are making right angles. They only are making obtuse angles. Okay, what about this shape? Let's look for right angle. Is this right angle? Nope. Is this a right angle? No. Is this a right angle? Is this a right angle? Yes. So this line and this line is making a right angle at the point they meet. Okay. So how many pairs of perpendicular lines are there in this shape? One pair, because I have only one right angle. So which shape has one pair of perpendicular lines? This triangle. Okay, let's go ahead. All right. Now here is a little challenging question. Which dots should I join up to make a pair of perpendicular lines? Remember, we can label lines by naming them after their points. They start and end. Okay, so basically what this means, if I draw a line from here to here, I can name the line as AC. If I draw a line from here to here, I can name the line as CE. Okay, but we have to join only those points which make a pair of perpendicular lines. I want you to point this out. If you want, you can pause the video. So let's see what's the answer. So if I join AB and BD, they are going to be perpendicular to each other. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, now which of these statements about this shape are false? I want you to pause the video, read each of these statements, and think about the answer. So let's see what is the answer. The statements that are true are only two, this one and this one. So line BD is parallel to line AC, which is correct. Okay. Line AB, this one, is not perpendicular to any other line. Okay. So these two statements are correct, but these two are incorrect.